11 wooded acres, a mountain backdrop, and the sound of Parker Brook set the scene for this hand-hewn log home in Richford. The covered wraparound porch creates a comfortable place to take in the mountain views, listen to the brook, and enjoy the privacy of the surrounding woods. Stone walls, established flower beds, and a landscaped yard give the property a cared-for, timeless feel, while the acreage offers room to explore and enjoy the outdoors. The detached heated garage adds far more than parking, with workshop space and a large finished room above that can support hobbies, creative projects, or flexible future plans. Inside, natural wood, slate floors, hickory cabinetry, and custom stained glass reflect the craftsmanship found throughout the home. Just 5 minutes from Montgomery Center and about 20 minutes from Jay Peak, this turnkey property brings together privacy, mountain scenery, and distinctive Vermont character.